Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Pairs with Love TV, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful summer look with ease. Stay tuned. So first we're going to start off with some Hicks edge control. I get this at my local beauty supply. I use this because I noticed that it does not revert my hair when applied like regular gel does, especially for natural girls out there. So I'm going to put it around my edges and I brush it down with a nice, not too hard but not too soft bristle brush. Mind you guys, I had this hairstyle in for about a week at this time, so if you see any flyaways, you know what, just charge to the game, okay? Thank you. Next we're going to use Pump It Up Spritz to spray at the base of the part. I want to make sure that this section is nice, firm, and has no flyaways. I'm going to go ahead and secure that with a ouchless band. So make sure it's nice tight but not too tight. You don't want this hairstyle to give you a headache. Then I'm going to go back in with edge control to smooth down the ponytail that we just made to make sure there's no extra flyaways or fuzzies. Next, twist the ponytail towards the face all the way down to the end. So you want to make sure it's nice and uniform. This is where you're going to begin coiling the hair around itself. Make sure you focus the coil towards the base of the section. Towards the ends, you want to continue wrapping until you have no hair left. To make sure it's nice and secure, I'm going to put a little pin at the bottom of my Bantu knot, making sure I do not have any discomfort or anything of that nature. See? I'm happy. Next, we're going to take some gold string that I got from my local beauty supply to add a little pizzazz to some of my Bantu knots. I'm going to first tie it at the base of the section. You can pick any Bantu knot that you want. It's all your preference. And then wrap it around the Bantu knot to make a beautiful design. Next, use a bobby pin to secure your string in place. Well, here's a fun fact. Bantu is a comprehensive term used to describe over 600 ethnic groups within the southern African region. Interesting though, across these regions, Bantu, or Bantu used by the colonists, is recognized as a Zulu word for people in most languages. Let me go ahead and tuck that in there. Let me tuck that right there. Let me tuck that in. There we go. Alright, to add a little pizzazz to this hairstyle, I'm going to take a charm that I got from my local beauty supply and a bobby pin, and I'm going to take the bobby pin and stick it through the loop of the charm, placing the charm at the base of my Bantu knot, and I'm going to bend the ends of the bobby pin to secure it in place. And there you have it, a beautiful cute style that you can wear all summer. Hey you guys, thank you for watching from Pairs with Love TV. If you want to continue to support me, make sure you guys subscribe. I have a lot of videos in store, some traveling, beauty, hair, a little bit of everything. If you guys want to know a little bit more about me, click that subscribe button and I'll see you soon.